Napatotoy.
Everyone's gonna be like, gusto ko mahimong
kanding.
Mayan buonay.
Mamuntag.
Mayan buntag sa inyong tanan. Unlike you. Hey.
What's up? Today we are. I'll wait for the reply. Today we're going to forest camp in Valencia. So I've been in Dumaguete like 3-4 times. Actually, I've been in Dumaguete for like 4 months.
We live here now.
And we still haven't been. So Chucky and the homies at forest camp invited us to come over and experience the real hammock experience. So I'm not sure what that is, but we're gonna find out today.
Yes.
Hopefully Keith can up us. He can join us later.
Yeah, our friend Keith Feeney.
Yep.
Yeah, so we're gonna have fun in hammocks. Yeah. And like the cool pools that they have there that I've seen so many pictures of, so you know, follow me on Instagram.
Well, alright, we'll see you then. Alright, so we're here at the forest camp. It was literally only like a 5-minute drive from our place.
Exactly. It was
10 minutes?
It was 9 minutes on the map.
So?
On the map it said 9 minutes.
Alright. Anyways.
It's the brightest spot ever.
It was quick. But we want to show you these nice face masks that we got.
Yes, they're from the New Usuals, and they are silicone reusable face masks, and they come with KN95 filters on the inside. And I can wear glasses, they don't fog up, and they're great for asthmatics.
And it matches.
And it matches everything I own, so. And yours too.
And me too. Pure black. Alright, so we're gonna...
I
don't know. Anyways, I guess forest camp is open. People are swimming. Is it locked? And I think the first thing we're gonna do is eat. I think they've prepared some food for us, so we'll go with that.
New normal.
Alright.
Food vlog. Sir, our friend Chucky here.
That's Chuck.
Yeah,
okay, Chucky.
Has prepared, well, his staff have prepared the most incredible looking roast chicken I have seen.
It's called pinaupong manok.
Pinapong?
Pinaupong manok.
Pinaupong.
It's actually traditional Filipino, but we twisted it a little.
It's some
Traditional
piña.
Filipino cooking. No. It doesn't have, the traditional one doesn't have those pineapples.
Yeah.
Carrots,
I love pineapples. Heck yeah, and we got some rice, like cocoa rice.
Coconut curry rice.
Yes, coconut curry rice.
And
salad. And all the vegetables from the farm.
Yeah. Oh, you guys screwed them in?
Cool.
Yes, and that on top is a zola.
So, yeah, we were gonna ask, is it like moss?
It's like a lily.
Oh,
nice.
A lily?
It's lily. It's highly nutritious.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna eat some food, get our bellies full, and then we're gonna explore this place because it's our first time and see what they have to offer. So, all right, so we just finished up with lunch. I highly underestimated that chicken. It's honestly insanely good. I'm not just saying that. Honestly, freaking
really
good.
So good.
So if you come here, make sure to get that and the coconut rice, cocoa rice.
We have found Zowie Zoo.
The real Zowie Zoo.
Hello! You come to say hi to me?
I photobombed your blog.
All right, so we're here checking out the farm now. You know, Zoe's got to get her animal fix. We might be adopting a kunding today.
Where are you going? Whoa! Hey!
This one looks straight up like our kitten.
This is Nak.
Behaved.
Nak with some dangles.
If Nak behaved.
Yeah, if Nak was a well-behaved goat, this would be Nak.
Yeah, what are these?
Little danglies.
Why do they have danglies? It's so weird.
Eat me, baby. How do you feed them?
Yes.
Put it in the store. Yes.
The
Okay.
I'll follow you. There you are.
How do you do this? Oh. Oh, you'll figure it out there, okay?
Aren't you a Metro Bank girl? Trying to open up your farm?
I'm organic girl.
Organic girl?
Let me do my scene. That was it. Whole thing.
This can be you. Or this too. You may not see the possibilities just yet, but we do. At Metrobank, you have always been in good hands.
Found my calling. You got more kids in here. Literally, they're called kids.
Really?
Yeah, baby goats are called kids.
What the heck? Good job.
Organic girl. Look at this, sweeties. You eating my shirt?
It's knock. What you doing, little guy? You breastfeeding?
What's happening?
Patotoy.
Everyone's gonna be like, gusto ko mahimong.
Gusto ko mahimong kanding.
I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb.
Oh, this one as well. I'm sweaty.
Time to feed the chickens.
Look at all these chickens.
Look at all those chickens.
Is this all for one cage?
No,
Okay.
you can share it with others.
Okay, you have enough. This is the largest heckin' turkey. Can I go in? This one?
That's the oldest turkey that we have. It's not breeding anymore.
Yeah?
Can you eat?
Gonna bite your hand off.
Here you go.
Pick it up, I'll hold it.
I don't know how to pick up a turkey. He can do it. Oh, my goodness.
It shrinks.
It's so heavy. I think you can't do it.
Oh my gosh.
This is a big turkey. Hello, sweetheart. Hi. I know it's so big. I'm just caressing it. Like a baby.
So this is the stuff that we ate in our salad earlier. Not sure what it's called, but it's pretty good. We got a whole lot of chickens. So this is the stuff that we ate in our salad, and it's also good for the livestock.
It is.
Yeah, and it's cheaper because you can grow it.
You use the younger Azolla for salad.
What is it called? Azolla?
Azolla, A-Z-O-L-L-A. You can.
Yeah, Azolla. Nice. During quarantine, Tang saw this contraption on YouTube and decided to have it built because it, what do you say? It husks the coconut? The husker?
Sounds very technical.
Yes,
Yeah, so this thing has saved them some time. Zoe's gonna try it.
I'm gonna try it.
Operated.
Foot operated. I think you just stab it and then just
It's like
push
a
it down.
piano, but
What we used to do was use a bolo, and it's so difficult.
Yeah. So this is new.
Yeah, this is just about a month old.
Saving you a lot more time.
Yes, a lot more time and effort, and it's not dangerous. Even if
Yeah,
if
true.
you use the bolo.
You're gonna cut your
I
finger off.
tried to have a research on this. I was afraid that my guys would get hurt.
Yep.
okay. Like that, and then just stand on it.
No?
It's working. Yeah!
There you go.
Yeah!
And then again.
Again? Oh, sorry, wait. Yeah!
That's so cool.
One more. Two more. Woo!
It's softer when it's about the
Yeah.
Sick.
It's such a cool contraption. It's a leg workout.
Thank you. Oh wow, he's much better than me. My turn?
Yep.
Yeah, your turn.
Okay.
There you are. There.
Nice.
And then
Okay.
take it off and then,
Stab it somewhere else.
yep, somewhere else.
I don't know where I stabbed
There.
it from. Here, that'll do. Oh, this one.
There.
This side.
There.
I didn't really.
Is that good?
Not really.
There you are.
I'm not made for farming.
You have to dehusk it all.
Oh, I'm gonna be here
We're not leaving until you
4 hours.
dehusk.
for one. Ah!
Surrender na.
Oh, yeah.
Pas pas.
Okay. Sure, huh? Yeah. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
He probably likes that machine, huh? He doesn't have to use the
guys saved
bolo, yeah.
a lot of time and not dangerous.
Yep.
I was worried about my guys cutting their fingers.
Yeah.
They said this doubles in just one day.
So, this is the sediment pond, where sedimentation pond. So it's a settling basin, and it catches like the river water, and then it sits in here for a while until the sediment like sinks to the bottom, and then it gets filtered through those pipes all the way down to the swimming pools that everyone comes here for. So that's really cool.
That's why it's usually super clear, but it flooded yesterday.
Yeah, it was a flood, so it's a little bit cloudy today, but even the swimming pools are still very nice. Yeah, they don't use any chemicals in their pools.
All right, these geese are super loud, but props to the owner here because he used to have around 300 geese, a surplus, and para dili sayang, they cooked them up and gave them to the frontliners, and now they only have 20 geese. So this is them. Look at all these chickens. So yes, out of 300, they only have 20 left because they gave them to the frontliners to eat during this quarantine time. So big props to these guys. Anyone know what kind of fruit this is?
That's wild. Well, if someone does know what this is, let us know.
Yeah, it's like super hollow. Weird. All right, we're gonna grab one right now and open it later because we're super curious what it's like inside. It's probably poisonous, so I don't know if we'll eat it. Sige, so gusto ko mag-shoutout sa Driftwood Local Enterprise. So usa ka company, murag taga Cebu sila. But they hooked us up with 2 new hammocks. Kay diri sa forest camp, pwede ka mag-camping diri. Mag-hammock lang, doyan. Barato ra, mga 350 pesos. So sila magturo na mo, turo, Tagalog man na. Sila magtudlo na mo unsaon pag doyan diri sa forest camp. Kay dili pod mi kabalo unsaon. So let's try it. Alright, so they just taught us how to do the hammocks.
Tie a hammock for the hammock
Tie
experience.
hammock. What's in Bisaya again?
Lambod.
Lambod. Sila nagtulo na mo unsaon pag lambod. So masuway mi.
Hulog.
Para dili mahulog daw. So this is the Driftwood hammock that Driftwood hooked us up with. So check him out on Facebook.
I'm up.
Support local always. Nindo ni siya kay 4 points para comfortable kaayo. Because usually doyans only have one end.
One string.
One string. One corner. But pero kini na hammock 4 corners. Ayan. Para nindot kayo. Mura siya mattress foam.
Short. Mandawi foam.
Sige, so Zoe's gonna.
Which one's the front?
This
It
one.
doesn't matter.
So Zoe's gonna be the one to tie the knot.
Okay. One loop,
Make sure to wrap it around twice.
2 loops,
Para leak on.
and then go through the hole.
Pull it towards you.
Yeah!
Sakto ni siya? Yes.
I did it! So you can pull as tight as you want, and it's still really easy to undo when you do this kind of knot. What is this?
Slip knot.
Slip knot.
Sige, ako na saan musuway. Alright, whip this bad boy around. Oh, where are you going? Caught on a rock. Can you get that for me? This is why you always go camping with a partner.
You gotta do one more loop.
Oh yeah.
No, not through the hole.
Oh my gosh. I'm not too good at this.
One of us is made for kids. Woo! It's a bit loose.
Yeah, it's pretty loose. Gosh dang it. But I'm just showing you how easy it is to get it off. Slip knot. Oh.
Woo!
So, as you can see, by this lovely hammock, jump in there. Jump in there.
I'm not gonna jump.
Test it first.
Yeah.
Oh. I think it's good.
Yeah.
So, na siya mosquitero. Mosquitero niya siya. Built-in mosquito net. Para dili ka mag-suffer samtang nag-camping ka. Dagan po mosquito diri sa Pilipinas. Usahay.
It's gonna suck if I fall.
Alright.
Yes.
I think it's inside out. No, it's not. Goodbye, Ma'am Joey. Kung mo ani mo diri sa forest camp, pwede ka mo magdoyan lang kay 350 lang. Pwede ka magdoyan bisan asara. You can either bring your own hammock, you can rent here, or buy your own from Driftwood.
You recommend Driftwood?
Obviously recommend Driftwood because in Indonesia. My other hammocks were just, like I said, the one pointer on each end, and they weren't that comfy.
My other hammocks would be like rattan hammocks.
Was it nice?
Yeah, it's super comfy. Where's Keith Feeney?
Where's Keith Feeney? But yeah, Driftwood hooked us up with 2 hammocks, so now that we have a car, we can go camping wherever the heck we want.
And if you missed the vlog where we have a car,
Yeah, our last vlog, we just got a new car, so check it out. Cut. So we found out that this fruit is supposedly, what, jackfruit? Nope, not jackfruit. Definitely not jackfruit. Passion fruit. You're gonna cut yourself for sure.
no, I'm not. I'm in my eye.
But it also may be poisonous.
But I have an app.
And?
Yeah, I need to elaborate. Sorry. I have an app that you can take pictures of plants, and then it tells you
possibly what kind of plant it is. I mean, it gives you some options. The first one is that this is an orange.
Are you serious?
Yeah, it was
I don't think this app's too accurate.
It was some sort of fancy orange, but I think based on my knowledge of passion fruit, which I have some of. Yeah, it's passion fruit.
Really? Ooh. Why is it black inside? That's disgusting.
This is the most disappointing passion fruit.
There's no passion in this fruit. Taste it.
I don't think you could pay me to.
Oh my gosh. Keith Fleeny! Sige, so diri sa forest camp na sila daka na swimming pool, pero mura siya natural kayo tinahon. So mo ni siyang itsura sa ilang mga swimming pool. Dili ko kabalo pila ka buok pero dakan kayo. O si Zowie nag photo shoot. So tanawa iyang Instagram.
Follow me on Instagram at Zowie Collier. See the pics. Actually, they may not even end up on there.
Tanawa ka mong website.
Yeah, now
Their website.
That was the show. Oh!
Hi, this is Keith Feeney. I'm super sweaty. I'm gonna go see some baby goats and go and sweat.
Let's go. He just landed a kickflip in the bowl too.
Fleeny.
Cleaning. Yep, cleaning.
We're seriously back to the Kundings for round 2 because Zowie can't get enough of them. And Keith Fleeny, of course, has to check them out. I like goats. I like turtles. All right, gather around. Picture. Sige, compress, compress. Compress very good. 1, 2. Sige, waki na. Waki. Very good. Oh, this one's taking a piss. I'm rolling. All right, your turns,
No.
Mom Joey.
No.
Okay, so this is super sick because Keith Fleany's behind me. Nah, but the lights are on all night, so you can skate as late as you want. I suck at skating, but it feels good to be back on the board. 2018 and 2019, I both broke a hand skating, so thank goodness. Didn't happen today.
We've been doing a lot of knocking on wood
Yes.
today. I forgot the wrist guard.
Yep.
For you, but I left in a rush. Sorry.
But good times here at Forest Camp.
Food vlog. First camp food vlog. So we have some pasta. What is it? Vegetarian pasta. And some vegetarian pizza. And some vegetarian potato. And some pesto pizza.
Featuring Keith Fleany.
Your pesto pizza is amazing. I'm just saying, I had it the last time I was here.
Pretty money?
It was
Good?
Yep.
All right.
Dig in.
Woo! All right. I'm just vlogging this so you guys know that I actually got in the water because I've been taking photos of Zowie all day. So this water's pretty cold, nice and refreshing.
Go sliding.
Very slippery. Check it out. Like little kids in the pool. Watch me try to get up there.
Race! Race!
I'm coming. Wait, full sprint. Full sprint.
You are children.
Look at that.